Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You must test your chosen method on a hidden scrap or corner first. That prevents unexpected paper warping, bleeding, or color change during cleanup. Work over a clean towel to catch moisture and debris. Open a window and ensure ventilation for any solvent fumes when using alcohol or hairspray. Wear a nitrile glove on your dominant hand to protect skin and avoid smearing the ink. Keep paper flat and support it on a stiff board during testing and treatment to reduce tearing risk. Start by blotting excess marker immediately with a dry cotton swab to lift surface ink. If blotting helps, continue with a fresh swab and light pressure working outward from the stain. For more stubborn marks, use 70% isopropyl alcohol on a swab and dab gently, then blot with a dry swab. Try an art gum eraser for dry surface marks using light, repeated strokes rather than heavy scraping. Avoid acetone or nail polish remover on thin paper because they dissolve fibers quickly. If a method causes visible damage, stop immediately and assess the page before continuing. For important documents, scan the page at 600 dpi as a backup and use digital editing to repair marks instead. After any wet treatment, dry the area by air for about 30 minutes on a flat, absorbent surface under light weight to prevent cockling. If heavy marker penetrated deeply, accept that full restoration might be impossible and consider reproducing the content on fresh paper. Store cleaned pages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.